Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty back with another banger. Yo, so today, right? Everybody says they got new strategies, and I think the industry is interesting because everybody has their own outlook on the market. Maybe you may think it's new, but it could be something that's tried and tested already. But definitely, I want to check out these new strategies, new things coming across the forex industry, just mixing up the content, mixing up all type of stuff. So you guys like videos like these, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. All right, nevertheless, let's get right into this simple scalping. What is it? Simple scalping strategy for any size forex account, right? All right, let's do it.
I'm going to show you a really simple US 30 scalping strategy.
All right,
With
for
this
sure.
strategy, you're in the trades for like less than 5 minutes, sometimes maximum about 15 minutes. First thing in the morning, really simple strategy to make you some quick, easy money. A lot of you guys were actually asking me to share the strategy. I did post this in the Discord. And a lot of you were saying that you wanted to see the strategy I use, so that's why I'm making it today. If you guys have any other ideas, drop in the Discord and feel free to ask.
Bro gotta sound confident about this shit,
I
nigga.
like to use US 30. I haven't really tested this on any other pairs. Basically, we're trying to take advantage of New York open time. So at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time,
That should be busted.
the New York session opens. Basically, we're taking advantage of this big move that happens first thing in the morning. So
Okay.
yeah, it's super simple. So the biggest key for the strategy is you're going to need a broker that offers really tight spreads and one that
Hey,
also
go
allows you
trade,
to trade
nigga.
US 30.
We
A
going
lot of you
up.
are asking which broker I use. I personally like to use Hanko Trade for this. They have super good spreads.
Hey, they tell you they
Leave a
taking
link
over
down below if you
everything.
want to use the same one. But yeah, just make sure that you have low spreads because we're basically trying to take advantage of like a really quick move in the market. It's going to happen really quick and you don't want them taking
You already
advantage
know
from
me,
you.
but
Just make sure that you're showing you guys some trades. So I'm here to do that. Anyway, so
Okay.
we're just going to go back a couple months. We're over.
Oh, this is a
beginning of
back test
October.
video.
So yeah, basically the strategy is really simple. For this, you're
Okay.
going to need to use a MACD, and it's all about paying attention to the times and the candle closes.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that you're confirming that candles will close a certain, like a very big explosive either bullish or bearish move in the markets, and you're
At least you
essentially
get
just
to
trying
the
take
point.
a quick scalp from the move. Like it could move like 100 pips, but we're just trying to take
A lot of
like
people
quick
get in
move
and
out of
start
it. So,
telling stories and shit.
basically,
This nigga's like, hey, look.
what you look for in the trade is you want 4 green. And what do I mean by that? Basically, you want an 8 o'clock 1 hour bar to close green in the candle. You want the candle to close green, and you also want the MACD to close green. So for example, this is an 8 o'clock bar
no,
here.
that might
The
be doing too
MACD is
much.
red, and the candle is green. So this is invalid. This trade will not work. You want 2 greens on the 8 o'clock.
Maybe because I'm a breakout trader. You know what I'm saying?
Right? So move to the next 8 o'clock.
As he said, the trade would have worked.
Okay, here
That
we go. So
motherfucker
this
busted.
candle just closed
Just
green
saying.
on the 8 o'clock, and below here we are green on the MACD.
So you would have missed
now
the first
step two.
joint.
This is really simple. It's only
See,
2
I would have
steps.
been
If
smacking
these
at the
2 are
breakout.
green, you go to the 15-minute, and now in the 15-minute, we're looking for the 9:15 candle to close green, right?
Okay.
So 1, 2, boom. And we're looking for the MACD to also close green, right? So here we have a candle that's green
That bitch
on the 9:15 and the 9:15 on the MACD as
nigga
well.
have violence sit right
So
in
this
this
is what we're looking
motherfucking
for.
area.
Do not take the trade if you do not have 4 green confirmations. There's
Oh,
3
so he
greens.
waited for the MACD to like confirm it. Like I said, I just wanted to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? It says a new simple strategy. For me, break and retest. I think that's the simplest strategy. Really, I think that's the truly simplest strategy in the game. You know what I'm saying? But everybody got their own outlook. Everybody got their own interesting way. You know what I'm saying? That they look at the market and shit. So let's get back to the video.
Could still work out, but most of the time it will fail on you. So you need to have all 4. So as soon as this candle
Bro said make
closes,
sure you have all
this will
4
close exactly
on the
on
MACD.
9:30, and a new candle will form. You need to immediately place a trade if it closes green and if the MACD closes green. So you're immediately going to place a trade, and you're going to have
Damn, off the doji? I always thought doji's been indecisive, but my guy got it though. You feel me? Do your thug, G. Like I said, everybody got their own way.
use a 40 pip stop loss and a 40 pip take profit every time.
40 pip stop and 40 pip take profit? Okay, that's like a 1-to-1 ratio. my nigga in there literally on a 50% chance. You feel me? 50-50. Whatever, however this shit go, my man is ready to eat. You feel me? Either eat or lose. That's crazy though. Nah, hell no. I'm always risking less than that though, for sure, for sure. I definitely would think that, you know, you want to have damn, bro said a 40 pip stop and a 40 pip take profit. Like, damn, I would have a smaller stop than TP for sure. Like, risk less, make more. You know what I mean? But my man here, he seemed like he don't really give a fuck. He ready to go all the way in. You feel me?
Okay. So if we let this play out,
Let it play out then.
boom.
Okay, for
So
sure.
immediately we take 40 pips out of the market and we're gone.
Easy
we
call.
can probably capture this within 5 minutes. You don't want to capture the whole.
My man missed the first play though.
Risking it hitting your stop loss though, and your win rate will be a lot lower. So you want to make sure that you're only sticking with a certain pip amount and a certain risk every single time.
Oh no, I think he should be
Don't
teaching different if he gonna say with the risk factor, like 40 pip TP and a 40 stop. Like, nigga, that risk to reward is just crazy to me. But you know, I'm gonna keep watching though. I'll be like, Ty, watch the video.
So for example,
At least bro got to the point in this one. That's what I'm saying. Bro got to the point in this one. Other one I'd be skipping because they're not getting to the point. My man is like, nah, at least. So we gonna listen.
let's say you have $1,000 account,
Okay.
and let's say you want to risk 4% of your account. You'll trade $1 per pip. So if you lose, you'll lose $40, and if you win, you'll win $40. So
Okay.
let's quickly jump over to the whiteboard. So these are the rules for your trade. On the candle, 8 o'clock, 1 hour candle. This is we're on the 1 hour for here, right? We're on the 1 hour. Here's the 15 minute, right? So on the 1 hour,
IDK.
8 o'clock candle has to close green. And on the MACD, it also has to be green.
I feel like you be waiting too long. You know what I'm saying?
8 o'clock candle, just to make sure you guys know, closes at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. This isn't when the 8 o'clock closes. This is when it closes at 9. This is the 8 o'clock candle, but it closes at 9.
Okay. Bro got that monotone shit going on too.
15 minute, and we're waiting for the 9:15 candle to close green on the candle and on the MACD. This will happen exactly at 9:30.
They be like, Ty, you don't got no patience, nigga. I'm like, Simon Cowell, you damn right.
These are your confirmations, and all
What?
green. If one of them is red, this guy goes red. Don't take the
Trading
risk.
Forex,
I know
doing a
some of you
motherfucking
guys
handstand.
trade anyways, and you guys will lose in the long term. Okay?
Okay.
I'm telling you, you have to follow your rules and you have to be very strict with them.
No, I agree with that. I definitely agree with following your rules and, you know, having a strict trading plan. Let's get back to these charts.
It closes green.
So bro just waiting for it to close green, basically.
1 hour. And we want the 8 o'clock to close green on the 1 hour. So here, we had a red candle close and
Nice
a red
little
MACD
retest.
close. So we're not going to even look at this trade. We're going to skip to the next 8 o'clock.
Damn. Well, so you only taking 8 o'clock trades. My man said he's destined to only take one trade a day. And I feel like that's a dope trading plan. You know what I'm saying?
Okay,
Take
so
one trade a day. I think that's a dope little
had a
trading plan.
MACD
Stick to yours.
closed red and a candle closed green. So here we would skip out on the trade again. Even though we probably would have won the trade here, we need to stick to our rules every time, right? Because I know I'm going to get some comments down below like, oh,
Yeah, my
the
man.
trade doesn't work every time. Yeah.
My man missing out on hella opportunities. But what's dope is like, you feel me? What I can say about that is like bro in here finding his own shot, you know what I'm saying? Trying to build his own sauce and shit. So I think it's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? I guess I'm more aggressive, you feel me? Especially with the scalping and shit like that. So I definitely like to take more per day. I see a lot more opportunities, you know what I mean? I'm just, like I said, everybody got their own trading styles though, you know, but nevertheless, like you guys want to see the rest of the video, you can go over there. I'm like 6 minutes in, and then I'm like 10 minutes in over here. But hey, it's your boy Ty, and once again, we're gonna keep dropping these bangers like that, and I'm about to slide. Peace.